Hello, this is Luckrail. This is a Hornby pannier. And this is basically just an advert for my cult's 3D page. This is the real subject for today. It is an old Airfix Autocoach that I bought in a charity shop for a grand total of £3. It's got the cute little bell on the front. It's got a broken buffer. We won't look too closely at that. It also has somewhat of a practical problem, which is that having bought it in a charity shop for £3, it didn't come with any couplers attached to it. There's one other problem with this. All of my models use Kadee couplings, like this one here. All of the couplings that are available for it are tension lock couplings. You have the small ones and then you have the big ones, and they're all obviously available from Hornby and Dapol, who are the two companies that took over Airfix when they stopped selling model trains. And unfortunately this coach also predates the NEM standard by a decade or 3. Luckily for me, Kadee's new product for 2025 was an M363 coupling, the 51 through 54. And what I've done this year is to make an adapter. The adapter's actually really simple to use as well. You take the adapter, you clip it into the original pocket, and now it's an M363. Here's one I've pre-fitted with a coupler, which will attach to the locomotive end of the coach. And the conversion is done. If you want to convert it back again, you just pull the adapter out. Ta-da!
Oops.
And just to prove the point, yes, it couples. At least when you're not trying to do it through a camera screen, which takes away your depth perception. And that's that. And the reason I said this was an advert for my Cult's 3D page is because the file is available on it. It's about £1.25, it just funds my Kadee addiction, and if you're not interested, that's fine too. I just wanted to show this off because I thought it was neat.